To thank everyone for coming out to the Heffner Scion first annual charity car show and truck show. This is an excellent turnout. This is actually far more than we expected for our first year. We want to thank all of you for attending. This is great. So we've been looking at everybody's rides out here today. Looking at, everything from cleanliness, number of modifications, performance, and curb appearance. It's not easy. All these cars are really nice. All these trucks are really nice. Like, I'm a car tuner myself. You guys, hard work. You deserve a pat on your back. Excellent work out there. And keep it up. We'll have another one of these next year. Yeah, no street racing after this, huh? All right, so we have come to decisions. Now, there's two categories. And I promise you next year we will have more categories, but as I said, this is a better turnout than we had expected. So for two categories, being truck category, including SUV, and car category. First of all, the truck category. It was down to two top ones. We decided the winner is Sean Koenig of the lowered blue truck. Congratulations, come on up here. All right, this is where it got really hard, guys. There's a lot of nice cars out there. A lot of nice cars. I wish we had more categories. So again, this is kind of coming down to curb appearance, effort, number of modifications, and overall show. And we've narrowed it down to the only car smoking in the back row there. All right, so Brandon, I believe, in the blue 300. Congratulations, come on up here. We got the air ride, we've got interior lights and the smoke show inside. The nice rims. It's a lot of effort. Good curb appearance.
Great job, man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks again.
So again, everybody, thank you very much. This has been overwhelming. This has been a great turnout. Next time we will definitely have more categories, especially knowing there's this much interest and, how many do we have? Like 48? We had like in the high 40s in terms of people that showed up today. This is excellent for our first annual Heffner Scion Charity Car Show. Thanks to the barbecuers. That was good. Did we do a count? Do we know what not yet, huh? All right, well, keep your ears and eyes peeled. We will be having another event, and we hope to see all of you and hopefully twice as many of you at the next one. So if you want to follow up and see pictures from today and maybe even some video, we do have a YouTube channel. It's under Heffner Toyota. And then our Heffner Facebook, Heffner Scion Facebook page, we'll have pictures up on that, so you can check that out. And please send feedback. We welcome feedback. You can email us on there. You can chat with us. We will respond. We appreciate any suggestions, any feedback you have. These events are actually for you more than anyone. All right, so thanks a lot. If you haven't got your earbuds yet, we have Heffner Scion headphones right over here. Come on over and grab one.